Hi, welcome to this quick how to help video on adding decimals. Now, adding decimals can go wrong very, very easily if we forget to line the decimal points up. That's really the key to success here. So let me show you what I mean. If I had, let's say I had £2.50 and I needed to add £3.25. That will line up quite naturally, quite easily. I would put my 2.5. I can include the 0 or not, but usually we're comfortable keeping with the digits we've been given. So I've got my 2.50 and then the £3.25 just works. And then we can add in our columns in the normal way. And you can see without any real effort or thought, all these decimal points, they just line up. So when I'm given something a little bit trickier, let's say I'm being given 5.8 plus 12.37, it can be really easy to go wrong. Okay, I can take my 5.8 and then if I don't think about this point here having to live here, everything can go out of line. So that's the key. Just do the point and then write the number around the point. So that's the point of my 12.37. So the 2 will be under the 5 in the units column. 12 is in the tens. And it just keeps everything in the correct place value. Now, one of the things that you can do if you have blank spaces is to fill them in with zeros. Just put the placeholder in, and then again, it's easier to see what's going on. That's crucial if we were doing subtracting, but we're just focusing on adding today. And then you will add in the normal way. So 0 plus 7 is 7, 8 plus 3 is 11. So I put down the 1 and I carry the 1. You could see me putting my dot in. It's absolute routine, absolute habit for me to get that dot in straight away in its line. So I've then got 5 plus 2 is 7, plus that 1 is 8. And I've got my answer of 18.17. Another one that I see people possibly going wrong in is when you've got a whole number. Let's say I've got 10 plus 4.13, for argument's sake. This can often go wrong because there is no point to help you line up. So one of the things to try and remember here is that there is an invisible decimal point on the end of every whole number. If I was to take my place value, tens, units, the very next thing is the decimal point before I go into tenths. So if I've got the number 10, it would live here in my place value grid, and there's that invisible decimal point. It's always there. So you can put the point in, maybe add an extra 0 or a placeholder, just to help sandwich that decimal so it doesn't feel like it's floating around. Add in the rest of your number and you're good to go. I'm going to add in that extra 0 as well. And then 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 4 and 1. No carrying over for that one. So I hope you have found it useful. The absolute key to success here is that decimal point being in the right position, lined up beautifully. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the Target Maths video. If you find them useful, please subscribe and then you will see new videos being added all the time.